Good morning everyone! Welcome to LAMI KUSINA. Now this morning, I want to show you how to cook Leche Flan. So ito po yung i-prepare natin kung tayo ay gagawa ng Leche Flan. Unang-una, 15 pieces of eggs and 10 teaspoon of sugar, white sugar, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 lemon, vanilla, and aluminum foil for here kasi i-cover natin ito mamaya. Then sugar, we put this 2 teaspoon inside of this one, lanera, at i-melt natin mamaya yon, and water for the steamer. So simulan na natin. Pag may bula, tatanggalin niyo po yung bula. Okay? Then, ilalagay na po natin dito sa ating linera. Ito na po. Luto na po ang ating Leche Flan. Ayan. Tanggalin po natin. At palamigin natin. Okay. ilalagay po natin ang ating finished product. Yan na po ang ating leche flan. Yummy! Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe dito lang po sa LAMI Kusina. Thank you for watching!